Hey guys, good morning. Nanginginig yung kamay ko. Ang ingay yung electric fan. So yun nga guys, good morning. July 1st today. So there's gonna be like, how many months yung, ilang months pa yung nangiiwan? Or, nangiiwan? Ilang months na lang. Malapit na rin, sorry. So we've already reached, na-reach na natin yung half ng year. And we're now going to the next 6 months of our 2024. And I was actually thinking a few days ago of how will I challenge really myself to do the things that I love while also doing the things that I should do and I'm responsible of. I've always dreamed of, starting a YouTube channel and, being, probably have, take a shot on being an influencer. But every time I think about it, every time na nag-i-start akong isipin kung paano ko siya gagawin, there's always like obstacles na hindi ko siya magawa. So sabi ko, I've been like being, ako pagsalita ng, magkakape nga muna ako. Wait lang.
Meanwhile,
Okay, may kape na. So going back dun sa sinasabi, yung mga manok tsaka aso sa paligid, ignore nyo na lang. So, I'll be honest, one of the main reason kung bakit ko naisipang mag-video is because of this specific video na nakita ko sa Facebook. It's a video from a Facebook influencer. I'm not sure kung familiar kayo sa kanya, but the message actually resonated and talagang hit, talagang tinamaan ako ng gusto. Let me just play it. So the video is from the page Zach in Australia, and ito yung message niya. Panoorin natin. It's a very short message.
6 months na lang, 2025 na. Nagbibigay ka pa rin ba ng oras at effort sa mga tao na hindi ka naman pinapahalagahan? Are you still giving time and effort sa mga tao na hindi naman binavalue yung ginagawa mo? Please do not waste your time. Please be intentional with your time. It's time for you to focus on yourself, invest in yourself. Kung lahat ng kasama mo sa bangka ayaw sumaguan, puro pabigat, puro angkla, it's time to let go of them. Kasi wala kang mapupuntahan eh. Gusto mo malayo yung marating mo. Pero yung mga kaibigan mo, yung pamilya mo, they're happy where you are right now, but you are not. You have bigger goals and bigger dreams in life. Now is the time na ikaw naman. Prioritize your goals, prioritize your dreams. It's time for you to let go of the people who don't appreciate and value you. Please don't waste another day, another week, another month trying to please people who don't see who you are, who don't value your time, your effort, and who you are. I love you guys. Peace.
So grabe yung video na yun. It actually resonated in me. Ano talaga siya. Bigay talaga siya sa akin ng talagang deep meaning of what I have been doing for the past 39 years of my life. Ever since I was a kid and habang lumalaki ako, it's always been my passion to help other people, to share my knowledge, to share my talent, to teach others. I'm not sad about it. I don't feel remorse about it. Hindi ako nalulungkot about those things. Nanghihinayang lang ako kasi there are many times that happened that most of my efforts actually went to nothing because of the people that I really work with and people that I encounter with. So dumarating din talaga yung realization na yung effort mo is not something na talagang kayang tapatan ng iba. So you're blessed, no? So sabi niya nga sa family, friends, there are family and friends that happy for you right now. And these are the people na they think enough, sapat, and okay na yung mga effort na ginagawa mo. At tatatapatan din nila yung effort na binibigay mo. But there are also some people that are not. Sabi nga, may mga taong ang ginamit ng illustration is bangka. Kung may mga taong ayaw sumagwan, pabigat. So akin naman, ang illustration ko is it's like an airplane na gusto mong lumipad together with the people that you love, the people that who are important to you, but some of them doesn't want to be part of that flight. So yun. So the main reason bakit ko ginawa tong video na to, it's for me to encourage myself. Kaya nga yung title nito is Motivating myself. It's really to motivate myself and to check if I can do this on a regular basis. So it's gonna be like short videos every day that I'm gonna do, and hopefully I would be consistent on doing this kind of videos, so I would be motivated, and hopefully you are as well. So we're not actually hindi naman ako I don't have anything na pwede kong i-brag para lang ma-motivate yung ibang tao. So sabi ko, why not I start motivating myself, and by let me just start by simply making this short video. And there's one person actually that told me na sabi niya, Jay, you are so focused on the progress of other people, but what about your own progress? So yun, medyo talagang tinamaan ako doon. So we're gonna talk more of this siguro, hopefully every day, each day I'm gonna try to edit the video. It will be a short reel sa Facebook siguro, and let me see what's gonna happen on a day-to-day basis. Anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching.